Hi everyone, I'm super excited. I am having a holiday pop-up shared rewards party. If you don't know what a shared rewards party is, let me tell you. You will get discounts based on the amount that people order. Okay, so if everybody orders $300 worth of products, then everybody gets a 7.5% discount. People order $400 in products, and they get a 10% discount on the way up, all the way up to 25% if we get $1,000 in sales. What's awesome about this deal is not only do you get the shared rewards discount, but you also get the Black Friday discounts. So if you order Black Friday product, you get that discount on top of your shared rewards discount. If you hosted a party in the past, you also get that 10% discount as a past host reward. There's more. If you order on November 29th through December 1st, you get free shipping with a $99 order. Plus, if you order $90 or more, you get a free gift. Your free gift with a $90 order or more is a measuring spoon set, a classic scraper, or if you order on November 29th through November 30th, you can also choose a $15 Pampered Chef account credit toward a future purchase. How cool is that? Let's get those orders in. Let's go ahead with the shared party. I really want to get it done by the end of the month so that everybody can take advantage of the Black Friday deals that only go through November 30th. Okay, so let's do this. Let's all order, get our discounts, and get those gifts and get our holiday shopping done. Can you imagine being done and it's not even December yet and all of your holiday shopping would be done? But anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's get those orders in. Let's get this party started and let me know if you have any questions. All right. Thank you. Bye.